T&D serves communities in Chelsea, Revere, and Everett. We are a local nonprofit that builds affordable housing. We have this amazing financial capability program, and we foster community leadership. Today we'll have Shea and Jasmin. Jasmin's actually going to be joining us with T&D for a 10-month list position, and we're very happy to have her. We've hosted 3 cohorts already, and it's been a pleasure working with you guys. And one of the things that we do in partnership is help the local pantry here in Chelsea. And because of the pandemic, it's been an honor working, serving 400 families per week, and here we give up to 20,000 pounds of food